These are the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2s, and in this video I'm going to walk you through some of the accessories that will improve your experience using them. And a few of these accessories are things that you may not have come across before. If you want more flexibility, better comfort, and a real solution for extending the battery life on these glasses, then there will be something in this video for you. Let's start with the thing that everyone wants to fix or improve, and that's the battery. Not only how long it lasts, but how easy it is to keep the glasses charged. The first upgrade is the AMVR 2-in-1 charging stand, and I really like this because it just makes everything simple. The first thing you notice about this is how heavy it is. It's really well built and it's a solid design, and it's not going to get easily knocked off of your desk. You drop the glasses on at the front and they lock into place, and then right behind them you've got a spot to charge the case as well. And this is what makes it so unique. So instead of having cables everywhere or hunting around for the charge case, everything lives in this one clean little hub. And the hub is powered by a USB-C cable that comes in the box. But if you want something that's a little more compact, then the Hyblox charging dock could be a better option. This one charges the glasses only and not the case, but that's kind of the point. It's very minimal. It's great for a bedside table, or if you just want somewhere to put the glasses without committing to a massive charge stand. It's really compact and it holds the glasses in such a way that it kind of looks good as well on the side. The Ray-Ban case by itself charges via USB-C, so it's really handy also to have a power bank. Most people already own one, but if you're looking for something that's compact and pocket friendly, then these small 10,000 mAh power banks from iNew are excellent. They're lightweight, they've got two USB-C outputs, fast charging, a digital LED display, and they even come with a built-in USB-C cable in the hand loop. These are just really well thought out, and these pair perfectly with the next accessory as well. Now this next one's a big one for anyone that wants extended recording time with their glasses. The Prism XR Carina 1 system gives you up to 2 extra hours of runtime, and it does this in a really clever way. You replace one of the arms with a slim attachment that adds a tiny battery contact at the back, and then the included batteries just magnetize onto the contact. Each battery gives you roughly an extra hour, and the battery is small and it sits on the arm, so visually it still looks pretty clean. You get 2 batteries and a charging case, and honestly it completely changes how you can use the Meta glasses. If you're filming anything longer than little clips, then this is the accessory you should go for. And if you want all day endurance, they include a USB-C cable so you can run the glasses straight from a power bank. Comfort is one of those things you don't really notice until it's wrong. And because the Meta Ray-Bans have all the tech inside them, they are slightly heavier than a standard pair of glasses. And one small change that can make a surprisingly big difference for some people is a silicone nose holder clip. It just gives you a softer, more grippy contact point on your nose. And it stops the glasses slowly sliding down throughout the day. It lifts the frame slightly so the pressure isn't sitting right on the bridge of your nose. So overall it just makes the glasses feel more balanced. It's such a tiny accessory, but if you're wearing your glasses a lot, particularly if you're filming all day, then these make a big difference. And these are designed to integrate seamlessly into the glasses frame, and they clip on. So these don't look like an add-on, they look like they were made to be part of the frame. And speaking of comfort, there's another upgrade that makes a major difference if you wear prescription glasses. And this section of the video is sponsored by VRWave. VRWave make prescription and replacement lenses that are designed specifically for the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses range. So if you normally wear glasses, or if you've bought the Meta frames but you want a different tint or a transition lens, then this is the simplest way to customize them. Their lenses drop straight into the frame, they're lightweight, high quality, and they come in a range of options. There are a range of tint colours, transitions, clear, shaded, and full custom prescription. So whether you want to ditch your contact lenses or you just want to change the look of the frames you already own, VRWave makes it really easy. You can select your prescription and all your lens options easily on their website, and they ship worldwide, and their lenses come in a convenient zipped storage pouch. I'm currently using the VRWave transition lenses, and their range of lenses really do make your glasses more versatile, and you can wear them in different ways for different needs. I'll leave a link below so you can check them out and see their full range. One thing I notice when you wear these glasses outdoors is that you sometimes get a bit of light leaking in through the sides of the glasses, and this can cause a bit of glare. It's not a massive issue, but it can be distracting, especially if you're trying to film or you're trying to drive, for example. And in those scenarios, it's good to keep your focus consistent. This accessory are simple blind side plates that you clip on, and they block out the side light. It gives you a bit more shade, makes the view a little bit more consistent, and if you're outside in bright conditions, it actually adds to the comfort quite a bit. Not everyone will need this, but for outdoor filming or long walks it's helpful. And then when you don't need them, you can just easily unclip them again. There are times when you're recording with these glasses that you'll want to hide the recording LED light. I've tested two options. The first one is a basic blackout sticker from High-Blocks, and it's very simple. It covers the LED completely, and then there's this small slit at the back to allow light in so the glasses continue to record. This second option is a little bit more interesting because it has a built-in slider. This means that you can block the LED when you want to and then slide it open when you don't. I found that these ones didn't work as well indoors in lower light situations, but they're fine for outdoor use. And it's a more flexible way of controlling the visibility without committing to a full blackout. So those are the accessories that have improved my day-to-day experience with these glasses. Some of them solve pain points, some of them create more comfort, and a couple of them are just clever little upgrades that you may not have thought of. Let me know in the comments which one of these accessories you would use, and for more tips for your Ray-Ban Metas, you can watch this video next, and I'll see you over there.